Dongguan Xinru Precision Technology Co., Limited, founded in 2004, is one of leading manufacturer of precision machinery parts in China. Our main products include customized high-precision machinery parts, 5-axis CNC machining parts, CNC milling parts, CNC turning parts, precision metal stamping bar, customized precision CNC milling service machining metal, machine energized aluminum parts, OEM aluminum CNC machining 7075 aluminum machining service. Materials: lucite, acrylic foam, PVC, PP, nylon, wood, titanium, pig, etc. Surface treatment: anodized, brushing, polishing, chroming, plating, laser engraving, silk printing. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us.